Iya, kopi. Oke, oh, Mas.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
A very good morning to all. On behalf of KTODC, I extend my warm welcome to all the newly elected honorable MPs and each one of you present here. Namaste, Kulunka. In exercise of the powers conferred by the TTADC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to issue orders for due constitution of the newly elected district council, and in accordance with Rule 166(1), Srimati Santri Das, LR and Secretary Law, Government of Tripura is hereby authorized to administer the call for affirmation to the newly elected members of the district council. I would like to request Srimati Santri Das, LR and Secretary Law and Government of Tripura to initiate the process of administering the oath or affirmation to the newly elected honorable members of the district council. Now, I would like to call upon the newly elected honorable members to come on the stage one by one for taking oath or affirmation to the Constitution of India. First, I call upon Sri Bhavaranjan Riyam, 1 Damchara Jampui STC.
Anoka.
Ang Bhavaranjan Riyam, TTADC atau dengan member sekretariat Subahrani Mumbai, Ismail Kamu, ya ini tapi mengpakai bangun pakai India di Constitution ni de ain studi kami putih de ake aini kabai de kamu angai ma tiba ye aki
Now, now I call upon Srimati Manju Rani Sarkar. To march mark. As she is absent, now I call upon Sri Shailendra Nath, Sri Dasda Kanchanpur. Now I call upon Sri Ratish Tripura, Port Karmachara ST.
Angnoka. Ronald Lero, you to my body. Ronald Exhibition.
Kalau kami ano waktu kami kamu kapai upai karnai.
Jadi jangan nahan mea orang kena bagi jawab di sini. Norka.
Now I call upon Sri Ismail Joy Tripura, Five Chaman. Now I call upon Sri Hollywood Chakma, 6 Manu Chalenka.
Norka. Ani fikir kan? 8.
Kamu karena Tripura উপজাতি জেলা প্রশাসন ও জেলা পরিষদের নকশায় করছি আগামী দেবে প্রতিদিন উত্তর নামে প্রবোধ বদি দমন মুই এই নদী ভারতের সংবিধানের পুকুরে এ কামনে প্রতিদিন দিচ্ছে আর আদিম মগৈতে মুই ভারতের সার্বভৌমত্ব আর জদায় রক্ষে করি আর মুই যে দায়িত্ব বদি দমন প্রতিদিন বিচ্ছেদর লগে বলে তাদের সাথে
Now I call upon Sri Dhirendra Debbarma, 7 Dhanchara Kachuchara.
Yes, sir. Over there, darah hanya saya pokok ini
Adi.
benar.
Ang Musang Director Department Different Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ne Adong Unggui Tongkat Maya Dulu Kaitoni Unggui Sumai Tangui Sado Kurakti Koito Kenargui Sumai Tangui Sado Barot Elembati Disingti Kaza Kerongno Koito Kubui Orok Komui Ang Wokjagui Kongmani Samungno Abai Kubai Tangai
Now I call upon Sri Patrachur Yang, 8 Ganganagar, Gandachara.
out hari bisa betul. Selamat.
Ang Musang Sampradaya Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni kehar tui pangkiye tunjuk paimon yok wo Ishorno duai laye smai tang ye satawo abono se krok kiye au ye smai tang satawo parot hakko bai snam tunjuk mo pa kerong rai darauno mukha bai hatiye Mungkin bom jaya, ini sakawo, bau tiup mo samung rono, abai, kubai ke tangai. Now, I call upon Sri Prashmit Verma, 9 Halali Ashrambari.
Out kita.
Ang Muchang Prashmit Deborma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Adong Unggui, Chonggamani Yabulo, Mahaduri Munggui Sumai Tanggui Sajawo, Gerakhe Putu Nargui Sumai Tanggui Sajawo, Barokni Elembati Isingtui Hajar Kerangno Putu Kubui Horok Komui Ano Bokjagui Tongmani Samungno Abai kubai tangai hambai. Now I call upon Sri Rajeshwar Verma, 10 Tulari Chandra.
Marhala. Bona na ba? nih. Namanya di sana.
Musang Rajeshwar Dapama, Ibra Travel Area Ramad Council, Adam Ungai, Tongjatma Yamalo, Kaitonis, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Rake Putu Narake, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Baro Nyambaki Shinki, Adak, Karangno, Putu, Ubui, Barong, Bomui, Anu Baktakma, Tongmani Samuno, Abai Kubai Tangan, Amat.
Sampai mau kan? Oi, siapa nama dia?
Now, I call upon Sri Utpat Verma, 11 Maharani Purtoliyama.
Masih nak?
Ang Muntah Department, the tribal area of North District Council, Adong di Pangkat Yatro. Terakhir Putu Narake, Maitani Sakau. Orang nomor Sinti, Hadak Erono, Kuitu Kui. Orang Omoi, Anak Pokak Paris Hamu, Dok Habek Kubai Kaknya.
Now, I call upon Sri James Verma, 12 Ramchandra Ghat.
I, Musang James Verma, Chukua Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adong Ungai, Tongjatma Yatro, Kaitonis Sumai Tangi, Rakyat Putu Narake, Sumai Tangi Sadao, Baro Elembakni, Bisintu, Hadak Yarongno, Putu Kubui, Khorok Bomui, Ana Bakzagui, Tongmani Samuno, Kabai Kubai Tangai, Warga Johambai.
Kenal sini? Hah? Waduh itu.
Now, I call upon Sri Ravindra Verma, 13 Simna Kamakar.
Kamera display ni dia.
Musang Robindra Deborma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous Council, Adong, Tonggui, Tongkatma, Yaguro, Kaitoni Mungui, Samai Kandis Hao, Paro, Elambakni, Isingkui, Hadak, Eramo, Oito, Hobui, Korok Omui, Ano, Bokjagui, Tongmani, Hamuno, Habai, Kubai, Anai. Now, I call upon Sri Rulia Debarma, 14, Vichan Nagar, Gorki Nagar.
Anu Musang Rulia Debarma, Tribal Area Autonomous Council, Adong Mungi, Tongkatma, Yagulo, Kaitoni Sumai Tangai, Sadawo, Pirate Poito, Narakai Sumai Tangai Sadawo, Paro, Elambakni Pisimpi, Hadak Kerongo, Poito Kupui, Korokomui, Amo Bokjaki, Tongmano Samuno, Habai Kubai, Tangai, Habai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jagdish Debarma, 15, Zirania ST.
Okay. Look jump. Bro. Look jump camera.
Musang Jagadish Debarma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adong Mungi, Tongkatma, Yagulo, Ishwani Munti Sumai Tangai, Sadawo, Pirate Poito, Narakai, Sumai Tangai, Sadawo, Paro, Elambakni, Pisimpi, Hadak, Kerongo, Poito, Kupui, Korok Omui, Ano, Bokjaki, Tongmani, Samuno, Habai, Kubai, Tangai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jitendra Debarma, 16, Mandai Nagar, Kulinpur.
Musang Central Department, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adong Mungi, Tongkatma Yagulo, Kaitoni Mungi Sumai Tangai Sadawo, Pirate Poito Narakai, Sumai Tangai Sadawo, Paro, Elambakni Pisimpi, Hadak Kerongo, Poito Kupui, Korok Omui, Bokjaki, Tongmani Samuno, Habai Kubai, Tangai, Habai.
Now, I call upon Srimati Deepa De Verma, 17, Pekwar Jala, Jannajoy Nagar ST.
Macam kita tengok, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ni ada wujud mengenai congdapan ia kalau kaituni mengenai berakit samai kami ada barat hak kutuni kelembab ni fishing tu ada kerana untuk tahu kubui korang bomai ano bongdamani baca tebas kamu habai kubui no karena jatuh.
Now, I call upon Sri Suraj De Verma, 18, Kakar Jala, Jammu Jala.
Macam Suraj De Verma, Tripura sab bodoh baik, bodoh angkor poksa, adon unggul, somdama ya, kait ni tulis main tulis adon, terakhir poin naragai main tulis adon, barat elam bab, disimpi atau kerami poin tu, ubui pok meropai, anak pok somani sama, sabai ubai.
Now, I call upon Sri Buddha Kumar De Verma, 19, Amtali, Dolaghar. Macam Buddha Kumar De Verma, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, atau melalui Songcakna yang ulo kai tulis semai tangga, sasawo berakhir putu naragai semai tangga sasawo barat elam magna bising koi hazar kerana putu kubui hal bomoi anu baksari pemane samono habai kubai tangga. Belanya hal. Now, I call upon Sri Purna Chandra Jamatia, 20, Pilarapa.
Ang Podotondo Tomatia. Di sini atong ang maya kolot, pangda maya kolot matai kotor, papa kerja ni menggui, semai tangui sadau, para kotor ni elembak, ada kerana ang kotor payu, te ani sakau bangkat kodano, kabai kubai, bakro kongui samung tanai, amu.
Now, I call upon Sri Chandra Kumar Jamatia, 21, Maharani, Telangana.
I, Sri Chandra Kumar Jamatia, having been elected a member of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Volunteer.
Now, I call upon Sri David Mura Singh, 22, Kataria, Mirza Rajapur.
Musang David Mura Singh, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Lukurat by Samjat Adam Ungui Samjatma Yagulo. Sini Mutairot tay bala hoy chantai kai torni sumai tangui sajau gerakke koitanaroi sumai tangi sajau baro hak torni elam bak bising koi Khazak kerongno puito kubui korok bomoi ano borsari kongmani samungno khabai kubai tangai जय गोपाला जय प्रसाद जय खंसा भारत माता की जय जय हो वंदे मातरम
Now, I call upon Sri Kamal Kanai, 23, Ampi Nagar.
I, Sri Kamal Kanai, having been elected a member of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of the God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge that duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you.
Now, I call upon Sri Dhananjay Tripura, 24 Rahima Vedi.
I'm Musang Dhananjay Tripura, Tripura Tribal Area, Autonomous District Council में आधा हुए चंद्रमा यादव, काइटोनिस समाज कांग्रेस हाजरो, ग्रामीण कोको नारगो समाज कांग्रेस हाजरो, भारत एलन बागने उसी ते हजारी हजार केरला बुद्ध दुबई, पर बंगोल आनो बंजारे कम्मने सामुना काबाई दुबई काना.
Now, I call upon Sri Sujoy Uchoy, 25 Nutan Bazar, Malbas.
Sujoy Uchoy, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Pohatoi from Saya Layana, Krishkoni Mumbai Soita Kawoi, Boy Katu Mumbai, Akan Karoye, India Hani, Roito Royan Tomodoi Maninai, Ake Amje Tamna Kaitumi, Abuna Hati Chuk Mumbai, Samutana, Haka.
Now, I call upon Sri Tenaram Riyang 26, Bir Chandra Nagar, Kalash. Now, I call upon Sri Debajit Tripura, 27, Urba Mohipur, Burakali.
Bersama Deputi Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Adam Mungui, Songsak Mayakulo, Kaijani Mungui, Samai Tangai Sazago, Parot Elembak Dibisikte, Saza Kerokno, Puiju Kubui, Korak Bogoi, Ano Bogzagoi Company, Sabungno, Kabai Kubai Kanai, Abai.
Now, I call upon Sri Anjam Mom, 28, Silachari, Manubankul. All members have taken oath in accordance with the provisions of the PTIDC, Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985. I would like to convey my sincere thanks and congratulations to all the honorable members on completion of the oath-taking ceremony. I also convey thanks to all the officers for their cooperation in successfully organizing the oath-taking ceremony. Now, I would like to announce that under Rule 17.1711/1, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to appoint Sri Jagdish Debbarma, elected MDC, to preside over the proceedings of the first meeting of the newly elected council. I call upon Honorable Member Sri Jagdish Debbarma to take his chair to preside over the first meeting and advance the further proceedings. Thank you.
Officials to the first meeting of the 9th TTADC. As per conduct of business rules, to the first meeting of official the Autonomous District Council Chairman and Chief Executive Member elected Enrico Tomai. Jasmana Kasha Karune, Tini official Chairman TTADC time official chief executive member elected খাজাবিয়া বলবাগই পরবর্তী সময়েও তেরোশো সিটিং কংগ্রে খাজাবি কতাল চেয়ারম্যান টাইম সিএম চন্দ্রভাই বলবাগই গভর্নর ভাই এফএম খাজা প্রেসিডেন্ট অফিসার হিসেবে অবহানি দায়িত্ব অবন সাগলাইনেন তবে তিনি চিফ এক্সিকিউটিভ অফিসার তিনি সময়খানি প্রোগ্রামে পাইকা হনাই বিকায় হনাই হামবাই
Like